It's recording already.
Oh shit. This shit's fucking crazy. I don't know.
Go Maxima!
Oh shit, look at that. Oh my god. Either girls
You
can't.
know what? Fuck this.
Your phone's vibrating. Either girls can't drive or this chick doesn't know what she's doing.
I got good tires, that's all I'm gonna say.
You do, look at that fucking car. shit's
Fucking cows
nuts.
can't drive.
Cubs can't drive. Well, it's a girl cub too, so.
Yeah, she can't drive for shit.
Damn, that shit's fucking crazy. That shit is fucking.
I'm glad we got this on video. Can I just go around there?
No. That shit is crazy.
I love my car.
Okay, don't jinx it. It smells like you're burning rubber like crazy.
That's not me.
Huh?
That's not me.
Is the cop car in front of us?
Yeah. I could fucking go through a red light and get away from them.
Oh my god.
That's badass.
They're still fucking swerving like a
The
motherfucker.
Maxim was stuck back there. I feel bad, but just keep recording. You gotta give me props.
I can't even see the car no more. Oh, you can see the lights on it.
I better be fucking green by the time I get there. Although they're gonna get stuck right there anyway, so I better go slow.
With the cop car?
Yeah.
You think?
If you focus it more on closer to the window, you'll be able to get it. There you go.
Damn, they're still gonna see that we're fucking recording them. Oh, they're gonna give someone
You're
a ride
recording
home.
the dash.
Oh, sorry. Damn, imagine if Carlos was working tonight. Ah, I'd be laughing at him right now.
The door's frozen.
I remember getting a ride from the cops. It was awesome. The person in the car was like, "Let me out now! Just let me out! I'll get home safer." Oh shit. See, John, when we laugh at people, this is what happens. You could just see the lights going this way and that way and shit. That shit's fucking hilarious.
Should probably take. This is probably a better street.
What street is this?
This is Western. It's probably cleaner.
You want me to still record?
You can stop it.